Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to install MagellanTV on FireStick. Alright, let's begin. From your FireStick home screen, press the Home button to ensure you are on the main screen. Move to the Search option and select the search bar. Type MagellanTV using the on-screen keyboard. As you type, select the official MagellanTV app from the suggestions. Click on it. Then select the Download or Get option using the center button on your remote. The app will begin downloading and may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, wait for the app to be launched. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, select the free trial option and create your account. MagellanTV offers a free trial and a subscription plan that gives you unlimited access to thousands of high-quality documentaries. If the app is unavailable in your region, install a VPN, connect to a US server, and search again. That's it for this video. Thanks.